Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading reference photos and telling Gemini precisely what red saree you want. Include fabric type, border style, and desired pose. Once done, set canvas size and color profile so colors stay true. Make sure resolution is high for fine embroidery. Next, select the image generation mode and toggle high detail or sampling steps to prioritize texture. You do this because Gemini needs explicit constraints to create realistic drape, accurate fall, and crisp border pattern. You refine the fabric by specifying weight and sheen. Silk will reflect light differently than chiffon, so describe sheen percentage and how pleats fold. Once Gemini generates a base, use inpainting and masking to correct pleat placement, adjust border alignment, and add stitched details where needed. Then iterate. Raise prompt weight on color saturation for a richer red, lower it to reduce blowout in highlights, and apply small edits until drape and texture behave like real cloth. You finish by applying color grading and subtle sharpening to make embroidery pop, then export in the format you need. If you encounter seam artifacts or color banding, rerun local inpainting on those areas or employ tone mapping and a denoise pass. Small targeted edits fix most issues. Make sure to save the layered file and the prompt history with the seed so you can reproduce or tweak the red saree later. This ensures consistent results across versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.